Do you want to double your drawing speed? Then you've got to use classes. This is a detail without using any of my class attributes. We've got concrete slab here, and we've got some concrete here, and I've got some more here and some more here, but they don't look like concrete. If I use classes, I can assign that to the selection. They now start to look like concrete. These bits here are concrete masonry, and I want them to look different from my regular concrete. So I've got a class for that. This is my dirt, so I can assign my class to that. This is my hard fill. I've got some class for that. We've got the sand. But if I really want to have control over this, I need to make sure that I've covered all of my objects. So this has to have a color to it. My insulation needs a color. This is my drywall. That also needs some hatching. I've got this timber in here. And I use this H3.2, the color green, because that's what it looks like where I live when they use the timber. The timber treatment actually comes out slightly green. This is my rigid air barrier. Now you can see that my details have got a lot more life to them than they had before. And that's because I'm using classes to control the graphic style of these. If you like this movie, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click on the bell so you get notified when I've posted a new movie. If you really want to get the best Vectorworks training, then join my website, become a member of my website, and you'll get a chance to get 5 different webinars every month with me, and you can ask me questions. It's a phenomenal value for money. So click on the link in the description to be a member of my website. Thanks for watching.